in Chinese skill applications as sub-learning alternatives by Dr. Ying, Renaldo, dan Julianto. Outlines: Introduction, Method, Result, Conclusion.
Chinese skills. Chinese skill is a special application for learning Mandarin Chinese. This application was released in July 2014 by the Learn Chinese offline app. They provide a variety of materials that have been specially prepared to help us learn Mandarin easily. This application can help us to learn Chinese letters, pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar interactively. Chinese Skill also has exercises for the preparation of the Chinese Proficiency Test (HSK), as well as games related to Mandarin lessons. This application can log in using a Google account or other social media accounts, so this application is more flexible to log in. However, the drawback of this application is that it cannot adjust the display that will be shown, such as Mandarin characters only, Pinyin only, or Mandarin characters and Pinyin. Hello Chinese. Hello Chinese is a special application for learning Chinese. This application was released in July 2015 by Learn Chinese Mandarin. This application also provides a variety of materials that have been specially prepared to help us easily learn Mandarin. This Mandarin learning application can also help us to learn Mandarin letters, pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar interactively. The advantage of this Hello Chinese application is that it can set the display that will be shown, namely only Mandarin characters, only Pinyin, or Mandarin characters and Pinyin. Chinese skill. The researchers explained three things. 1. The similarities of the functions of the Hello Chinese and Chinese skill applications. 2. The similarity of the functions of the Hello Chinese and Chinese skill applications. 3. The second function of the application in learning Mandarin. The research method used by the author is a descriptive qualitative method with a comparative approach, namely describing the problem of events through respondents who aim to obtain a complete picture of a matter according to the views of the respondents being studied so that it further strengthens the author's analysis in making a conclusion. Hello Chinese. There is a picture of a microphone and speakers. The microphone image in Hello Chinese is useful for recording sound, while the speaker image in Hello Chinese is useful for playing back the sound from the Pinyin reading. In picture 2 Chinese skill, there is a picture of a microphone and ears. The microphone image in Chinese skill is useful for recording sound, while the ear image is useful for playing back the user's voice, and in Chinese skill can see the sound level of the Pinyin. In figure 3 Hello Chinese, there are speakers and symbols. The speaker image in Hello Chinese is useful for playing back the sound of the Pinyin reading, while the symbol image is the vocabulary of the Mandarin characters. In picture 4 Chinese skill, there is a play arrow and brush image. The play image in Chinese skill is useful for demonstrating an example of a sequence of Mandarin characters. The arrow images are useful for helping users write Chinese characters according to the sequence of the letter strokes. Brush image for users to write their own Mandarin characters without any clues. Help. In figure 5, Hello Chinese, and figure 6 Chinese skill, there are pictures of play and snails. The play image is to play back the video from the Pinyin reading at normal speed, while the snail image in Hello Chinese is useful for playing back the video from the pinyin reading at a slower speed. In Figure 7 Hello Chinese, there's an explanation of the tones which consist of the first, second, third, fourth notes, while the neutral tone is explained below the sentence. In Figure 8 Chinese Skill, there is an explanation of the tones which consist of the first, second, third, fourth, and neutral notes. Chinese Skill has HSK PRO features consisting of HSK 1, HSK 2, HSK 3, HSK 4, HSK 5, and HSK 6. Also, Chinese Skill has examples of vocabulary according to HSK levels for users to learn before answering HSK questions. Meanwhile, Hello Chinese does not have this feature yet. Chinese Skill has game features consisting of Grammar Doctor, Pinyin Game, Tone Drill, Character Drill, and Vocab Builder. Grammar Doctor is a grammar guessing game that is displayed whether right or wrong. Pinyin Game is a game to fill in the empty pinyin according to the instructions. Tone Drill is a game to guess the tone that has been mentioned. Character Drill is a game to write Chinese characters with predetermined radicals. Vocab Builder is a game to guess the vocabulary according to the instructions given. Meanwhile, Hello Chinese doesn't have this feature yet. From the research, it can be concluded that the similarity of the Chinese Skill and Hello Chinese applications is that they have a voice record feature, a sequence of letter strokes, video, syllables, tones, words, quiz review. The difference is that the Chinese Skill application has HSK PRO features and game features. In the Hello Chinese application, some settings features are more complete than the settings feature in the Chinese Skill application. Also, students considered these two applications useful for learning Mandarin. In these two applications, there are voice samples to make learning easier, the ability to read Mandarin increases, and vocabulary increases. This is beneficial for learning Chinese as a whole. Most students also agree that these two applications contain sample images to make learning easier, review lessons again, improve Chinese writing skills, improve Chinese speaking skills, improve Chinese listening skills, and have training for HSK.